In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image upload in Ninja Forms WordPress. By the end, you'll have a form that accepts image files like JPG and PNG with sensible size limits to keep your site running smoothly. Start at your WordPress dashboard. If you don't already have Ninja Forms installed, head to Plugins, then Add New, search for Ninja Forms, install it, and activate it. Once it's active, go to Ninja Forms in your sidebar to open the dashboard. From here, you can either create a new form or edit an existing one. Choose the form you want to work with and the form builder will open. In the builder, click Add Field to open the field library. Look for the File Upload field and add it to your form where you want users to upload images. If you don't see a File Upload option, make sure the feature is enabled in your setup. With the field selected, configure it on the right-hand panel. Give it a clear label like Upload your image so users know exactly what to do. Add a short description or hint if helpful, such as accepted formats, JPG, JPEG, PNG, GIF. Next, restrict the allowed file types to images only. In the allowed types box, enter JPG, JPEG, PNG, and GIF. This prevents users from uploading documents or executable files and keeps your form safer and more focused. Set a maximum file size to protect your server and improve upload reliability. A practical range is 2 MB to 5 MB. If users routinely work with high-resolution images, aim toward the higher end, but remember that your site's server settings also control what's allowed. If uploads fail despite your form settings, check your hosting limits for upload max file size and post max size and increase them if needed. Decide whether the field should be required. Toggle required on if every submission needs an image. Leave it off if images are optional. Double-check the field label, description, and validation message so the instructions are clear to your visitors. When you're satisfied, save your work. Click Publish or Save in the Form Builder to make the changes live. Now test the upload. Go to the page where your form is embedded, refresh the page, and try submitting with a valid image that meets your file type and size rules. Confirm that the form submits successfully and that the uploaded file shows up where you expect it, such as in your submission data or notifications. If anything looks off, return to the builder, adjust your settings, save, and test again. That's it. You've added a secure, user-friendly image upload to your Ninja Forms form in WordPress.